Mother Nature is whispering. Will you listen? Will you learn? Humanity is changing. Life, as we once knew it, is fundamentally different. For the first time in our history, the whole world stayed at home. And as we waited, Mother Nature healed. She breathed. She replenished. For it is only existence itself who could do this. Perhaps she did this to show us a deeper truth. Reflecting us in the mirror, guiding us gently to see who we are and who we are not. In our arrogance, we have believed that we are the center, that this is our planet, that we are in charge. It is now time to remember that we are merely guests here. We are not in control. And we never have been. In our fear, we have made wanting more and more and more our God. Position, career, possessions have become our trophies. We have become addicted to our outer success as a cheap way to numb our deep inner void. Existence is teaching us a new way to bring our attention inwards, to discover what lies beneath our masks. For who you are is enough. And we already have enough. It is now for you to discover what is true, what is here, who you are. An experience that is far beyond the fears that you feel. In our arrogance, we have created a world of stress, a world of hurry, speed, and exhaustion. Perhaps it is now time to learn, to slow down, to allow ourselves to rest, to feel, and to face our own shadow. The problem with the rat race is that even if you win, you are still a rat. For you are not a useless clod of flesh, merely designed to survive, to produce, to deliver, and to work. You are not destined to suffer, to be a numb, exhausted, mindless robot. You are a beautiful child of God, made manifest within the belly of existence itself, for a purpose. You carry light, love, and joy within your heart, only 1 millimeter away. For too long we have pillaged. We have destroyed. We have savaged all that is pure in this planet. We have believed in our own separateness, judged people based on the color of their skin. Yet today, our religion, our country, our age do not matter. Today, we are one. All of humanity is woven from the same cloth. We all share fears, we all share hopes. It is now time to heal, to wake up, to see, and to reconnect. The universe is a magical place, patiently waiting for our wits to grow sharper. Mother Nature has her own intelligence. She feels in a different way. She is magnificent. She is beautiful. She is terrifying. And she is alive. Humanity is being woken up. Soon, COVID will be controlled. The lockdown will end. Life will continue. The question now is, who will you become? What do you choose to be? The possibility of building a new world is here. It can start today. You are here, and it starts with you. Mother Nature is whispering. Will you listen? Will you learn?